using the litter box. I like that. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, sweetheart. Oh, and you're burying it too. You're such a good girl. Oh, good girl. Good job. Good job. Mom wants to see what you're so good about. Good girl. That's a good girl, huh, Mommy? Good girl. Good job. We used the litter box. Good job. Yeah. Mommy's proud. Oh, and we bury it. You did real good. Good job. Good job. Good job, little girl. Yeah. Mom, she did so good. And she might be going back for round 2. I think this one's missing the boat on where to go. Now you 3. Tell her to go in the box. Aww, that's fucking cute. What are you yahoos doing? Hi, Mommy. Here she goes. Dum-dums. What are you doing? Oh, good girl. Good girl over there. Good job. Good job, sweetheart, using the Kitten. Good job. Blurry, but you're good. I don't know why you're coming in blurry. We've got some good girls and some crazy girls. What are you doing up there? What are you doing down there? What are you doing? What are you doing up there? Oh, careful. Careful. Whoa. Okay, you did it. You were okay. You stuck the landing. Oh, cute kiss from Mom. Good job. Hi, guys. Oh, your eyes are so pretty. What are you doing down there, little one? Hi. Hello. Hey, Mommy.